Good day. I would be showing you how to spot out zones and how to use trendline to analyze your market. This is New Zealand US dollar currency pair, short from NZD USD. First, we are going to spot out and this is the monthly time frame, so we're going to spot out our zones. First, we'll spot out our support zone, which is here. These are fake out, so I'll highlight the fake out so that these are fake outs. We've spotted out our support zone. Let's spot out our resistance zone. Our resistance zone. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, we'll see. The market is still in the support zone, and this candle looks like it's still gonna drop. In our previous video, I talked about market movement, which is the upward movement and the downward movement. As you can see, this market has been ranging here. It's dropped down to this zone, and ever since it has been ranging in this zone. It has been ranging in this zone for a while. So this is the weekly time frame. The market take off, went back into our zone, and is still ranging there. The essence of this video is to show you how to use trend line when analyzing the market, and this is a downward trend line. See, touch 1, 2, 3, and so when we see a break on this side, when we see a break here, we expect it to do this, bounce back on the trend line, then probably take off. This is what I expect, so I'll wait. When it breaks and come back to touch the trend line, that is when I'll enter. So a lot of people use different ways to analyze their market, but trend line is one of the easiest way to analyze your market. This is for downward trend. Let's go to the daily time frame. Still down, so it's my touch here and fall back down, touch and fall back down here. So that's how to use this. Is how you do for a downward trend. I like to save images when I analyze. Don't forget, you spot out your zones, the support and resistance zone. Then you look at the trend of the market. Then you wait patiently to see it move the way you expect it to move before you place a trade. When it makes this move, you wait for it to touch. Don't forget, the market is on a downward trend, and where it is, where we spot at our support and resistance zone, it's where it has been trying to break for some time now. So we'll wait for this market to to do what he wants to do before we enter. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see what it's happening there. Okay, you see, still on our way. Let's see, there's also a trend line here. Let's take off let's remove the line we drew. You see, this is also a trend line. You see the market touch here, went up, came back, and has been on this trend. Broke the trend, went back and touched here, and now it's dropping. So we will see this happen. We will see this happen. To retest this zone. So that's how we use the trend line. The channel, you see how it looks like in the daily time frame. Look how it looks like on the 4 hour time frame. Still on this channel, broke, created a reversal candle. You see it's a bearish reversal candle here, and it's been doing this. So hopefully this market would drop. Why I feel it might drop, it's because I'm 80% sure it is going to drop, because it has obeyed my strategy. It has obeyed the trend line. It has broken the trend line, and we could see a continuation of the downward movement. It could continue the downward movement. So I'll go ahead and sell, short it. For short. And then we'll see what happens. I hope you've seen how to use the trend line to analyze your market, and I'll still should drop more videos on how to analyze your market. Thank you, and I'll catch you next time.